Good morning, YouTube. It's your girl TBQ, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna be talking about how I feel, the good, the bad, the ugly, and basically what I've been going through in life. Let's just say life is hard, especially when you're struggling, trying to accomplish a lot of goals. Sometimes you can't accomplish a lot of goals all at once, and we're gonna talk about that in a later time. But let's just say lately I've been feeling kind of depressed, and I don't really have anybody to talk to about it. It's like sometimes people don't actually listen when you need them to listen. When you actually need to listen is somebody, you don't really have nobody that's actually there to really support and listen to you. And I find that situation messed up because I always support my friends. I'm always here for my friends. I always give my friends advice. Same way for family too. And I never get that in return for some reason. It bothers me a lot. Because everybody needs somebody to talk to at the end of the day. I don't care what nobody has to say. Oh, do it on your own. Oh, you grown. No, because I'm human. I have feelings. Everybody needs somebody to talk to. If I'm down, my best friend should be listening to me. If I'm going through a situation, my family should be listening to me. Vice versa. You should be listening to them. And this is why a lot of people end up committing suicide. When I was younger, I used to think about suicide, but it was never something I could see myself doing nor accomplish, because I know it was the reason why I was put on this earth. I just don't know what the reason is. I still have a lot of growing to do. I'm still a work in progress. And please don't judge me. So if you're going to come to my YouTube channel with negative feedbacks, negative comments, then this is not the channel for you. This is about me, my life, and me expressing my feelings. And let's just say currently I'm in nails for school. I'm currently going to school as a nail technician online. And I do like it so far. It's great. But I'd rather be in class. And on top of that, I'm going through more of a deeper situation that I don't want to talk about right now. I'm going to talk about in a later time. And let's just say being black is not easy in America. It was never easy, and it will never be easy, because we always gonna have to push ourselves twice as hard to get what we want. And what I'm trying to say is 2020 is the year for us to make a difference. If you have goals that you want to accomplish it now. Get it done today. Get it done tomorrow. Get it done next week. Sorry guys, I have an accent, so my words sometimes don't come out clear enough. And it's like, it's like you have to make something for yourself. You just have to. Me, I do home health aid, but I'm not working right now. So I'm in school as a nail technician because I want to get my license to become a nail tech. And it's like, yeah, it's fun and all, but when you really need support, and don't get me wrong, my classmates, they really supportive, really supportive, but it don't even have anything to do with school or my classmate. It pretty much have to do with my life situation, what I'm going through. And sometimes I find it to be not fair, because I do home health aid, and Mind you, before I had 3 children, I used to work full-time. That's when I had 1 child at the time, my firstborn. I used to work full-time, busting my butt. Ain't nobody ever told you, and I was living with my mother. Ain't nobody ever told you to, like, save your money to get your own apartment. Eventually, I knew as I got older, I planned to move out, but my mind wasn't on saving. I was 18, so I was spending my money on my kids, my son, because I had 1 son at the time. I was spending my money on my son and buying unnecessary shit. Let's just say unnecessary shit that I don't need. Ain't nobody ever explained this to you to save your coins, especially in school, or teach you about credit. It's like as you get older, you learn that you learn about these things later on in life. So now you're stuck. Like, what? I need credit. What? I need this. I need that. Stuff that they never taught you in school that they should have been taught you. And sometimes family don't even teach you that. And I grew up in a household where I have 4 sisters, 1 brother. Guess what? My brother used to get away with every little thing. It used to be so annoying. So it's like he would do something bad that he's not supposed to do. And we the dumbasses go do it too. And guess who get their ass whooped? We do, because we the females. And my brother just get away with whatever. But that's besides the point. Right now, I'm currently working on myself. I'm still a work in progress. And I'm trying to accomplish a lot all at once. And I can't do it because I'm only one person. I know I have to take it one step at a time. And sometimes I do need my support. I do need help. And sometimes the support I have is not enough support. Let's say your family supports you in certain things, such as helping you with your children. I love that my mom helped me with my kids. I appreciate that. I'm forever grateful. My mom and my grandmother. I'm forever grateful that they helped me with my children. But as a single mother, life is really hard. And it's not easy. I've been in situations where I never even thought I would be in that situation. Where I thought I wouldn't even be able to make it. Where I thought I was going to be stuck in that situation to the point I wanted to commit suicide. And I don't know why I had these thoughts. I prayed about it. And I asked God to remove these negative thoughts because that's not a person that I want to become. And that's not how I want my life to end. And depression is real when you really don't have anybody. Depression is really real. I've been in tough situations. Let's just say, for example, my shelter situation. I've been in the shelter before. 2 years. It's not easy. I had a job. I was working. And for some reason, every time it would be time for me to get a voucher, these people would, I don't know what they would do, but they would mess up my documents. They mislead me. They will send me to one location to get help. You go there, get help. They can't help you. You go to another location, they can't help you. And for some reason, I used to feel like, I believe the system is the big downfall for us. Getting help through the system is not it. I'm sorry. It's not it. That shit keep us down. Us black people, that shit keep us down. That's why we always stuck and we never try to make it out. And sometimes when we do want to make it out, sometimes it's too late for a lot of us because we sat there and let a lot of time go by. And 2020 is the year to get it. 2020 is the year to claim it, that is yours. 2020 is the year to do what you have to do. And for some reason, I just woke up, even though I feel kind of sad, but my spirit is like motivating me right now. Motivate yourself. If you don't have no support, come to my channel. I support you, baby. If you looking for somebody to talk to, come talk to me. Because at the same time, I'm looking for somebody to talk to, and I will do the same in return. So ladies, please like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for the next video. It's your girl TBQ. Have a good Have a good day, ladies and gentlemen. Stay safe. Wear your mask. Be great.